This is a proposal for computer numerical controlled simulator purchase by Richard Barrett, machine tool instructor, Midco School of Technology, Rockland, Maine. The reason for this proposal is to help the local manufacturing companies hire on new employees. As you can see by the graph, the number of jobs since 2009 has increased over the years, and the number of people available to fill these jobs has not followed the path. Our idea is to take these students and train them to be entry-level CNC operators, understanding the controls of the CNC machine, and to be able to be a help stepping right into the workforce. Why do we need the simulators? Students at the career and technical education classes learn to program using industrial used machine tools. We currently have 2 simulators for 10 students. Students learn by being on the simulators, writing the code, not watching someone else using the simulator. The controller on a CNC machine is where all of the setup and programming of the machine is done. A simulator is like a controller, only it is not attached to the machine. It can be set on a bench or a workstation where the operator can do programming without physically having to be at the machine. What is the cost? The cost is $1,700 per simulator. Midco School of Technology has now 2 simulators. We're looking to purchase 8 more simulators for a total of $13,600. There is no cost for instructors, as Midco School of Technology has staff in place to teach this class.
If only we could get more entry-level people to fill the positions we have, we could meet customer demands.
This is from Toby Keniston, owner of Keniston Machine and Engineering in Rockland, Maine. At our professional advisory meetings, the industry leaders say this at every meeting. Who will benefit from this program? Local manufacturing companies like Keniston Machine and Engineering in Rockland, Maine, Knox Machine Company in Warren, Maine, Lee Nielsen Tool Works in Warren, Maine, and Fisher Plow from Rockland, Maine, and surrounding areas of Knox, Lincoln, and Waldo counties will benefit from having students coming in to be hired with entry-level positions. Where will the students come from that will be taking this class? There will be 3 different ways that we're going to be able to find students interested in taking this class. One of them is the high school students that are now taking the machine tool technology program at Midco School of Technology. Midco School of Technology also has an adult ed program that teaches machine tool technology. Also, working with the local career centers, Midco School of Technology will find interested students from the workforce that were willing to do the training. The training will take place at Midco School of Technology in Rockland. We will be moving into our new 92,000 square foot school in September of 2019. The machine tool program has a brand new 2,000 square foot facility that will allow us room to have the simulators out in the shop or in the classroom, depending on whether we want a quiet working area. Because we're going to be running 2 distinct programs, one for the high school student, or what they call a secondary student, and one for the adult ed student, they will be broken down into 2 different ways. The high school student will spend 86 days out of his school year here at Midco School of Technology for 5 hours a day for an average of 430 hours during his school year. The adult ed student will be in 3 hours a day for 3 days a week for a 10-week period, totaling 90 complete hours. The training will be broken down into 4 parts. The first part is the class will start out by an introduction on how to write code. The code is the command to tell the computer what to do, how to do it, how fast to get there, how slow to go, what to drill, what not to drill, what to cut. The next part of it is the students will learn how to read a print. The print is the part itself that's going to be made. It's written down or drawn on a piece of paper, usually in a two-dimensional view. The instructor will teach the student how to understand all of the information on that print. The next part of it is where the students learn how to run the common commands. The commands are the part of the program that tell the computer what to do, how fast to go, how far to go, are we drilling, what are we doing, depending on what the print calls for. And then in the last part, they will start writing code on a simulator using the correct commands. Each one of these could take up to 2 weeks, possibly 3 weeks, depending on how strong the students are and how fast they learn. The expectation of either the adult ed or the high school students completing this program is that they will be able to go to any of the local industries, apply for an entry-level position as a CNC operator, knowing the basic code for running the machines. They also both have the opportunity to take this training and go to a community college and apply this toward a pursuit of an associate's degree in machine tool technology. Thank you for viewing this proposal. If you have any questions or any comments or any concerns, please contact me, Rich Barrett, at rbarrett@mcst8.org or at 207-542-9555. Thank you.